Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Kia Sedona SX. This one is a hey, my allergies are bad enough, go away. This one is a gorgeous spec. Look at that dual sunroof. How far back does this go? How do you do that? And you can slide this forward and backward. You could have all the room in the world. That's probably the most adjustable rear seat I've seen. All right. I don't see the sticker anywhere in there. All right. Now, yeah, I've driven these before. Front camera. But these are just nice. I don't think I've ever driven an SX. That I don't think I may have, but they are very hard to come by. You never saw them brand new on the lot. An LX, sure. EX, hard to come by, but sure. SX, yeah, good luck. There's good power there. I think cruising on the highway, it's just comfortable. It's a long journey setup. Handling, actually not awful. It's a big box, whatever. We knew that going in. Oops. How'd the airbag go off for the... Really? That's one thing that always fascinates me is when or won't. Yeah, I'm having a seizure. Will or will not the airbag go off? Like sometimes I see these massive wrecks and airbag doesn't go off. And that was a little rear end accident and the side airbag goes off. Like, what? Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.